Another one. What are you doing in your mind? I couldn't find my phone. I couldn't find my YT phone anywhere.
Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. During the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and trimmings. Use caution if you must drive.
Yeah, it's really windy out.
The current time is 12:05 Central Standard Time. You are listening to all hazards radio. Voice of the National Weather Service, station KUC 56, serving the general reporting listening area. East at 12:03 p.m. Central Standard Time. High wind warning in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. West winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with an occasional gust approaching 60 miles per hour. The areas affected include a portion of north central Texas. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Impacts, damaging winds will blow down trees and damage property. Power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles.
High wind warning. I couldn't find my YT phone anywhere. That's why I didn't get the alert. Oh God. That's the second high wind warning I've caught. Technically. I don't know. Crazy.